Alright, today's lesson is on the area of a circle. Okay, and the formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. Not times 2, but pi r squared. And my r stands for radius, okay, which is half the distance across a circle. My diameter is the full distance, radius is half the distance. Okay. Pi can be 3.14 or 22/7 if you don't have a pi button. For today's case, we're going to use 3.14 for our pi. Okay. Let's go ahead and use our equation and practice finding the area, how much space is taken up for my circle. So my first one here, we're always going to write the shape, circle. Write our formula, pi r squared. We're going to substitute in 3.14 times 6 is my radius, squared. I'm going to go ahead and solve it out, and I get 113.04 meters squared. Alright, number 2, it is a circle. I'm going to use the equation of area is equal to pi r squared. So my area is 3.14 times, and now I'm not going to do 8, I'm going to do half of it because it's my radius, so half of the diameter is 4, and I'm going to square that. So my area is equal to 50.24 feet squared. Number 3, it is a circle. My equation is area equals pi r squared. Substitute my numbers in, 3.14 times our radius, and I have my diameter here, so I have to take half of that, and half of 13 is 6.5. Square it, and I get an area of 132.7 centimeters squared. So you have 3 examples for you to try now. Go ahead and try your 3 examples. Make sure again you're writing down the formula every time. It's going to help you remember it. And make sure you don't forget to include the units. So for the 3 you had to try, should have done a radius of 9.5 for the first one, and an area of 283.385, or simplified to 283.4 inches squared. Number 2, we had a diameter of 7, so we're going to use a radius of 3.5, giving me a area of 38.5 yards squared, as it's rounded. And number 3, we had a diameter of 12, so we're going to use a radius of 6 for 113.04 centimeters squared.